Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the common problem of Makita Circle Saw DSS 501. So a basic problem is when it doesn't start sometimes, or most of the times it starts, but sometimes it's not. So we have to spin this one, then it starts. So the problem in this case was not the switch, which is perfectly fine. What I found out that this part is completely out, but be very careful about that because it's not enough to change this one. You have to check the rotor, the armature. So in this case I found the collector commutator is pretty fine, but what I noticed that it's broken. So be careful and check all the parts before you order new ones. So in this case it was easy problem, just to change this thing and that's it. Good luck.